Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So, guys, I have a student. Her name is Anshika.
Yes, sir.
So today she will tell about her daily routine life, and she will also tell about her last day activity, and she will tell about her future activity. So please listen to her carefully, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much, and please listen to Anshika. Over to Anshika. Time start now.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Anshika Prajapati. So today I am here to tell about my daily routine life.
Okay.
First of all, I get up early in the morning. After that, I drink lukewarm water. After drinking water, I get fresh. After getting fresh, I do exercise. After doing exercise, I brush my teeth and then I take bath. After bathing, I worship because I believe in God and I am an optimistic person. I know without God there is no life. After worshipping, I prepare breakfast. After preparing breakfast, I go to my coaching classes. After that, I meet with my all friends and teachers. I make my personal notes because personal notes are very helpful for us. My coaching classes gets over at 1 p.m. After that, I go back to my home. After reaching home, I take lunch. After taking lunch, I take rest for some time. In the evening, I come here. I come here at 4 p.m. This is England Institute of English Language and Personality Development, where I learn how to speak English. My trainer name is Mr. Ravisa. He is also the director of England Institute. He is good. He is a good teacher and a good person. I attend my class from 4 to 5 p.m. After that, I go back to my home. After reaching home, I take tea. After taking tea, I watch TV program. After watching TV program, I prepare food. After preparing food, I serve food to my family. After that, I go to evening walk for half an hour. After that. After that I use my phone and then I sleep. So it was all about my daily routine life. Thank you.
Okay. So Anshika, how did you spend your last day?
First
Please
of
come forward little bit.
uh, First of all, I got up early in the morning. After that, I drank lukewarm water. After drinking water, I got fresh. After getting fresh,
After getting
sorry, sir. After getting fresh, I did exercise. After doing exercise, I brushed my teeth and then I took bath. After taking bath, I worshipped because I believe in God and I am an optimistic person. I know without God there is no life. After worshipping, I prepared breakfast. After preparing breakfast, I went to my coaching classes. After reaching my coaching classes, I met with my all friends and teachers. My coaching classes got over at 1 p.m. After that, I reaching my home.
After that, I reaching nahi beta. I reached
Sorry,
at my
sir.
home.
After that, I reached my home. After reaching home, I took lunch. After taking lunch, I took rest for some time. In the evening, I came here at 4 p.m. This is England Institute of English Language and Personality Development, where I learn how to speak English. My trainer name is Mr. Ravi sir. He is also the director of England Institute. He is a good teacher and a good person. I attended my class from 4 to 5 p.m. Uh, after that, I went back to my home. After reaching home, I took tea and then I watched TV program. After watching TV program, I prepared food. After preparing food, I served food to my family. After serving food, I went to evening walk for half an hour and then I slept. So it was all about my last day activity. Thank
Okay.
you.
So Anshika, can you speak English?
Yes, sir, I can speak English.
Are you feeling agitation?
Yes, sir, I feel happy.
Do you want to remove your agitation?
Yes, sir.
Well,
I want to remove my hesitation.
Well, sir, please give me some tips.
Sir, please give me some tips.
How can I remove my agitation?
How can I remove my hesitation?
So Anshika, if you wanna remove your agitation, first of all, do you have a mobile?
Yes, sir, I have a
So
mobile.
keep your mobile
Yes.
somewhere and record your video.
Okay.
Okay, and then watch your video where you are lacking. Where is your lacking point?
Okay.
If you are not having a smile on your face, then definitely you are having agitation.
Okay, sir.
First of all, start creating videos on your own, and if you see there is no lack of confidence, there is no smiling face, you can delete this video and you can record again.
Okay, sir.
And you can make small videos. Like if you want to speak something about Farrukhabad city, then you can say like, "Hello everyone, today I want to tell you something about Farrukhabad." So Farrukhabad is a city. It is in Uttar Pradesh. So it is a small city.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
but in a small city we have each and everything. Like there are 10 or 11 shopping malls, one cinema mall, cinema house,
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है, multiplex, and we can say there is a railway station, okay, near Fatehgarh. There are two railway stations in nearby my home. One
Yes,
is
sir.
Fatehgarh railway station and second is Farrukhabad railway station. And the most popular thing of Farrukhabad is this: we have river Ganga river.
Yes,
So
sir.
every month of January or February, so one mela, one fair is there. Fair is being conducted. That name is Mela Ramnagariya. That is very
Okay,
famous.
sir.
Many people they are coming to enjoy in Mela Ramnagariya. So we can say in Farrukhabad, this is a small place, but there are many school and colleges. There are many convent schools. There are many English medium schools. There are many. All the boards are available here, like UP board, CBSE board, ICSE board. All the boards are available, and all the there are many English medium colleges. There are many teachers. They are coming from Kerala. They are coming from other states. They are coming to teach.
Yes, sir.
So we can say that Farrukhabad is a small city, but it is not a small town. It is a small city. It is now going to become a metro city very soon.
Yes, sir.
One overview is also being constructed. There are many things. There are many changes are going on. Okay, they are in under pipeline. So we can say that Farrukhabad is a small city,
Okay,
but
sir.
not. It is a developing city. Very soon, within 2 and 3 years, it will be developed. ठीक है, इस टाइप से मतलब फरकाबाद के बारे में हमने बोलना स्टार्ट किया.
Yes, sir.
ऐसे ही आपने फादर के बारे में बोल सकते हैं कि आप एक्चुअली माय फादर नेम इज, मेरे पापा का नाम ये है, ठीक है. ही इज़ वेरी काइंड पर्सन, बहुत दयालु है वो. ही इज़ अ काइंड पर्सन, ही लव्स मी वेरी मच. एंड माय फादर इज अ पंक्चुअल पर्सन बिकॉज ही गेट्स अप इन द मॉर्निंग एंड ही ऑलवेज helps my mother in all works. Like sometimes he also sweep the floor in front of my home, and he's very active person.
Okay, sir.
So I love my father very much, and he always provides me good facilities. Like he always dress up me, and like he always gives me money, and he always gives me pocket money also. And sometimes he also take me to any restaurants and any place to eat. So I love my father very much, and he's a good person.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, I am very much fortunate to have a father like my father. तो इस तरीके से मतलब बोलना स्टार्ट करिए अपने पापा के बारे में, मम्मी के बारे में, और कोई छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को लेकर आइए, जैसे कि मोबाइल.
Yes, sir.
Mobile plays an important role for my life. You can say that nowadays education is on mobile. Everything is closed. Everything was closed, and everything may be closed because coronavirus is now spreading very rapidly. So we are taking online classes. It is only possible because of mobile. Because we cannot buy. Everybody cannot buy a laptop because laptop is very expensive.
Yes, sir.
Like we have to pay 20,000 rupees for buying a simple laptop, but we can buy a good phone under 10,000 rupees.
Yes, sir.
तो इस तरीके से मतलब पॉइंट्स बनाइए, बोलिए,
sir.
सोचिए और रिकॉर्ड करिए, और उसको आप खुद ही देखिए, किसी को भेजिए मत, खुद ही देखिए और डिलीट करिए उसको.
Okay, sir.
और ये चीज़ आप 15 दिन करके देखिए. 15 दिन के अंदर आपकी इंग्लिश बहुत डेवलप होगी.
Okay, thank you, sir.
ये टिप्स थे मेरे को.
Thank you,
प्लीज
sir.
क्लैप फॉर अंशिका गाइस.